Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back on behalf of the residual income code. You're getting this little box down here because I'm actually logged in. And it's basically just telling me I'm logged in so I can't register, but I'm not going to register. I just wanted to show you this is a one of the capture pages, okay? As you can see, it's showing you people have signed up in the last 24 hours. That little box keeps popping up there. Residual income code, guys. I've been talking about it for a few weeks. It's a free, basically done for you system. The residual income code is a system in itself, okay? But within that system is 6 income streams, okay? And the products start as low as $27, okay? $27 to $1,000 goes up to the high ticket, product, which is easy one up. That's why I got involved with residual income code, because it's simply just another way for me to drive traffic to another system that's going to lead up to the easy one-up system, okay? So we come in with a low ticket product, and in between is residual income, and it leads up to a high ticket product on the back end, okay? And you receive an instant pay here. All right, so the $27 product, guys, is a product called Engagely. I'm going to show you a little bit of that in a second, but a done-for-you system, just copying and pasting ads. Okay, you can copy paste ads, you can drive traffic, you can do text message marketing. I have access to all that. But if you want to just keep it simple, just copy paste the ads that you're going to be given. The product that you're purchasing is going to give you 100 ads that you can simply copy from your cell phone onto social media sites. Okay, so I'm going to go over, let's see if we can get over here. Okay, I am logged in, as you can see right here. Okay, copy and paste your way to 27 to 567. It's actually higher because easy one up actually goes up to 2,000 now. But you can start as low as 27 bucks getting your Engagely product. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, 3 steps to get this thing up and running, and it's step by step by step. Okay, the steps are here. It's going to walk you right through it. Okay, here are some results of some people that have had success in the residual income code. Okay, so the owner just copy pasted, you know, some results here. Okay, and this is the same thing you would do. You, as far as your ads are concerned, guys, you can go on your phone. There's so many apps. I can tell you some apps I use. You pick the color, you type it in here, and boom, and you just post this stuff. Okay, 27 bucks to get started. Now, of course, residual income code, as I said, is a shell. It's a system that's free to get in, but you want to plug in to the income streams that's within the system. Okay, that's the 6 income streams, starting from $27 that you can make all the way up to actually $2,000. And as you can see here, you just plug in all your IDs, your usernames. Okay, 3 steps, guys. It walks you step by step. All you do is go over here, just like it says, quick start video. Step 1, click here. Step 2, click here. Step 3, plug in all your usernames, and you're all set to go. Now, the product that you're going to purchase, as I mentioned before, is called Engagely. That's the 27 bucks, guys. You cannot beat that. So that it can, so that you can get ad copy. Okay, that's one of the biggest things that people always ask me. Well, do you have any sample copies of ads and things like that? Here you have it right here. Engagely. Buy this product. It'll be $27 plus a $10 admin fee one time. No monthly fees. Get these ads. See right here, access to your pre-written ads, and I can't open it because it's going to show all the ads. And all you're going to do is open this and simply copy paste. I do this from my cell phone, my smartphone, okay, or tablet. You don't have to be in front of your computer to do it. So once you sign up for the $27 product, you'll get your login for Engagely. Okay, that's the product that's going to give you these ad copies, the 100+ ad copies. But the system itself, the residual income code, has all the other income streams inside. Okay, so that's what you want to plug into, and then all you're going to have to do, guys, is drive traffic to this link. Okay, I am using the Conversion Pros instead of Aweber for this particular project, but you can use Aweber, and you'll have an Aweber. You'll get you an Aweber. You get 30 days if you don't have an Aweber account. You get 30 days for free, but you just drive traffic to your capture page, and you let this system do all the selling and telling. Okay, it's going to do all the selling and telling for you. John is going to do. He's going to speak about it, and people are just going to plug their information in, and you'll get an email from him when you receive a commission. Let me just show you one here. See right here, what happens is you get a notification from John. It says ba-boom when someone actually goes in there and creates an account. Okay, then you're going to receive a notification from him that you'll receive a notification from him. From PayPal. Okay, so you get this one. It says ba-boom, someone's created an account. And when they actually pay, you get an email from PayPal and John Moss, and then you get one from Kartra to say you received an affiliate sale. Okay, so this thing is working, and I highly recommend you get started. I mean, get this system, sign up for free for the residual income code. Okay, and just plug into the 6 income streams, and Easy One Up is included in this funnel. Okay, so the funnel is already created. You don't have to do anything as far as creating it. That's the good thing. Just plug into what's already created and just start sending traffic straight into this funnel. Okay, done for you, system. Residual income code. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my link below. I want you to subscribe to the channel, and then also click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. All right, if you guys have any questions about this, go ahead and contact me after you go through the funnel. But what's happening is people are signing up and they never even speak to me, so that just shows you it's autopilot. Okay, once you send people here, they're joining. Okay, so easy way to go ahead and get some commissions in your pocket, guys. Instant pay. All right, through PayPal. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. You guys have a blessed day, and like the video. See you on the inside.